Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, let's look at not found a page as well as route grouping. So not found pages are right now, we have different navigations that we provided, right? And for suppose if the user try to type some random page, currently you are seeing 404, okay, not found. So since we didn't configure any of the page for this particular specific scenario, but Next.js itself is providing this, okay. For suppose if we want to return our own not found scenario and meaningful content to the user, how we can do it, okay. So let's look at it. So basically Next.js providing a specific file naming structure for its application to follow, right? So to create a not found file also, we have a file name structure called not hyphen found, okay. Let's see how we can write it. So it should go to app folder, okay. Not found file should go to app folder, and within this not hyphen found dot tsx, okay. In this file not hyphen found, it should follow that pattern, otherwise it won't work, okay. Now let's write let's export a component from this, okay, just a plain component, not this one. Let me just copy something, okay. Let me copy this, okay. This is the not found one, so let me add some content to it, okay. Let's say the page you're trying to access is not available, or it is incorrect, okay. I want to display this particular message, okay. When the user clicks some type some random path in my application, I want to display this particular message. Now let's check, okay. Now this is the main URL and we have paths for these URLs, and now I'm typing something random. Now if you see the message, the page you are trying to access is not available or it is incorrect, okay. So if we specify not hyphen found.tsx file, okay, Next.js is going to use this particular file to render if the path is not available, okay, 404 situation. And if you don't specify this file, it will have its own 404 screen and it will display, okay. That's why when I delete it, okay, now I just deleted the file. Now let's go back, and if you see, now this content came from Next.js. It is not configured now because I deleted the file, okay.